how to find receipts on the Walmart app. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will open up the Walmart app and log into our account. Then we will access the main menu. You want to tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the app screen. This will open up the main menu. Then you want to go to your purchase history under the account section. And this is going to give you a list of all your past orders and in-store purchases. To view the receipts, your purchase history will show both online orders and in-store purchases. If you've scanned receipts or used Walmart Pay, tap on this specific order or purchase to view its details and digital receipt. For in-store purchases using Walmart Pay, if you've used Walmart Pay during checkout in-store, your receipt will automatically be saved in your purchase history. You want to tap on the corresponding purchase to view the receipt. You can also scan paper receipts if needed. If you have a paper receipt from an in-store purchase that's not showing up in the app, you can manually add it. You will tap on Account, then scroll down to Purchase History and add a paper receipt. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code or barcode at the bottom of the receipt. You can also download or print receipts. Once you've found the receipt, you can view its full details and download or print it from your device if necessary. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.